we want to make it clear that we, as the Gema youth, are people who love peace and would rather engage in beneficial activities than causing mayhem and havoc due to the poor political decision that was made by the Supreme Court. We, as the Gema National Youth Alliance, have decided that the best way to show that we are aggrieved is by coming out to vote in large numbers.
Nikio twauga tutigukira ringi nigetha andu acio matige kuona ta turakira tondu tutiwe kwaria matige kuona ta turakira tondu turi iguoya tutire iguoya no ni turenda turumirire mutongoria witu wa bururi ciugo iria aratwira cia kuiga thayo thiini wa bururi witu. Njuge Raila Amolo Odinga eta mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro handu haria atwarite bururi uyu ni handu arenda gutwara bururi uyu handu utakeruta tondu turona agereire magoti-ini akagerera kuria kungi nginya ku intimidate IEBC na ndrenda njuge ndita mwandiki mukaru wa kiama giki ati gutire hindi githurano kingihariririo we uheane maundu maria mothe urenda githurano kiharirio uria we urenda na we candidate. Raila Odinga ni amenye ni candidate, amenye president witu Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta ni president wa Kenya na ni candidate wa githurano giki. Tugakiuria Raila Odinga ongoro ndurenda githurano we ta mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro andika marua kwi IEBC uge ndukwenda githurano na ndurenda ritwa riaku rigakorwo ballot-ini no ti kuheanaga threat ati ongoro utigũthio nduguthie githurano.